This is the IPEVO VZ-R document camera. When you take it out of the box, it'll require a little assembly before it's ready to use. Take the screws from the top left of the box and the circular base from the center of the box. Also included in the box are the screwdriver and USB cable. Remove the top layer of foam to get to the camera itself and take it out of the box as well. That's everything we need from the box, so go ahead and get rid of that. On the bottom of the camera are two threaded mounting holes. These allow us to affix the camera to the base. The single hole on the base lines up with the single hole on the camera. Place the camera on the base and flip it over. Take your bag of screws and insert the screws into the mounting holes. Screw them in until they are completely flush, or your camera will be unstable. Now that the base is attached, the camera can support the weight of the arm without falling over. The camera connects to your computer or docking station via a single USB cable. This cable provides both power and video signal. Once you're connected, flip the switch to power on the camera. Right out of the box, the document camera will work with Zoom. No additional software is required. To change your camera in Zoom, select the up arrow next to the Start Video button in Zoom. Select IPEVO VZ-R from the list of cameras. A few other options you may want to look at. Select the up arrow again and select Video Settings. Check the option for Enable HD. This will make whatever you are looking at with the document camera more crisp, which is especially helpful when you are presenting text. If the video of the document you're presenting is flipped, check the option for Mirror My Video. Your IPEVO document camera is set up and ready to use. The camera does have a few bells and whistles when using it with the IPEVO Visualizer software, and we'll cover those in another video.